Deborah here. So normally I have been doing the unboxing, but I'm not doing it this time. My kids are. My kids are on their way back from school.
A few moments later.
Hi children!
Hi Mama!
Do you know what you're doing today?
No, I got a surprise!
What do you think the surprise is?
I don't know, right?
One eternity later.
I think I
Okay? Ready?
Yeah.
What's it?
I don't know. Open it. Open it and take. It's really stuck. No, it's not.
Is it stuck?
No. Got it open. I know it's a car seat.
It's a new car seat.
Yep.
Have you had this car seat before?
No. It's
So you can open yours. You have one just for yourself.
I'm just toys. I'm just
Gently. Gently. It's pretty done.
toys. Go.
Baby,
I'm a toy.
you want a toy?
Yeah.
You want a toy, but this is better than a toy. Remember you want to wear seatbelt, right? Gently, darling. Gently, don't drop it. Right? You want to wear seatbelt?
Yeah.
You're going to be 5-year-old, right?
Yeah.
Hang on.
Not huge.
Come, you want to try? Can I help you, darling? You need to cut this.
Where's the scissors now?
Wait. I'll help you.
Just give me the scissors.
Can you wait? Oh my
Mama,
goodness.
give me.
Hang on, darling.
Just
Okay.
give me.
Michelle, hang on. Here. Cut here. Okay, we need to keep the manual, it's important.
What's important?
This, so it teaches how to use the car seat.
Oh, no.
Yeah, let's keep
Oh,
it.
I just hit.
Very good. Open. Come on. And then,
The cupboard.
open this.
I know it.
Wow, red color this time.
I like
Yeah,
red.
good. Isa?
I gotta sit down.
Wait. Open first. Let go.
In this fridge.
Yes.
Oh, it was good.
Can you sit down?
No, I sit down.
At least sit down, but at least too small for the car seat.
And it's me.
And then you. Can you sit down properly, Isa? You can take baby Jack. Come.
I'm saying baby Jack.
So you sit down properly.
Cheese. Yeah,